Some of the characteristics that we see in Eagan are a lot of mature trees, some smaller side yards, and a lot of rolling terrain that requires a focus on the design in the beginning stages so that we know that water is going to be rolling off the property or into the ground, absorbing into the ground where it's supposed to go. Services we provide include patios, walkways, retaining walls, and landscape design and installation, as well as lawn restoration and bee lawn installation. And of course, we build decks and fences and do home remodeling as well. We always start with an on-site consultation to understand our client's needs as well as the drainage of a particular site. From there, we move into our design process, where I have a design assistant map the property, and then he and I will back and forth that design until it looks presentable. Then I'll give it to the client for a back and forth with the client until it's absolutely perfect. From there, we introduce the client to our project manager. The project manager then takes that design and works directly with the client all the way through completion of the installation. After installation, then we'll often sign clients up for maintenance of gardens so that everything can continue growing and looking good, getting into full maturity and beyond. We have over 67 years of experience that qualifies us to be able to design and install and maintain landscapes that are suited for each neighborhood, as well as having a team of experts who've done the work for their entire career. Homeowners usually ask us about timelines, permits, how to minimize disruption throughout the process, and what maintenance is going to look like after installation.